tails and horpet tails. As you can see, it's very tired. I have been busy setting up home, and like I said in the last video, I did 70%, and I just had a lot of work, and I just had thought, that we will go somewhere, but everything is closed. Lights better here. Yeah, everything is closed. Golconda Fort is closed. Restaurants are closed, and there might be another lockdown. Might be in Hyderabad. So I had to go hurry up and get few things. So let me just show you my lockdown readiness and my grocery haul to you, because there is nothing else to do right now. I'm sorry, I just was very hopeful and ambitious that if I move to Hyderabad I might be able to see few places or gardens or something that's closer around where I live. So let's go to the hall. So, alright, my darling friends, I didn't get much, because like I said, I'm still settling and washing. I washed a lot of utensils, so I just got few basic things, because still have some groceries from Bangalore, and I had packed it well, and they are in good condition. And I I have some stuff left. From my trip to Mumbai in February as well. I just got few basic things that I need, and in case later on if I need some more items I can get if there is no lockdown, or in case of lockdown as well. There is what they say. They're saying that the stores might be open for 1 or 2 hours, so I can go and get it. So what do we start with? Okay, let's start with papda. Okay, let me sit down. So this is, yeah, these are like sabudana papad. There are a lot of stores around where I live, so I got these sabudana papad. Then I got some liquid papad usually in Mumbai. This is a famous brand and they are very tasty. And you can also fry them and cut small onions and small tomatoes and put on top of it. Squeeze a bit of lemon, put a little bit of chili powder, and that's called masala papad. Like if you see, I'm not sure if you can see, somewhat like this. So that, because I can quickly make dal rice, and these days I'm not getting much time to cook chapati. Anyways, I don't have wheat flour and make bhaji, so that. And then dates, I love dates, so I got these black dates. I can hopefully make chaat. I didn't get the pani puri packet though, because I don't have mixer grinder. I have ordered mixer grinders, so hopefully I will get it and there won't be any lockdowns. Then I got some biscuits, not much, because like I said, I have reduced sugar. So Parle-G and McVitie's. So I grew up a lot eating Parle-G because my mom was working mom, so she fed us a lot of Parle-G. So this is my favorite, India's favorite rather. Then I got some hing. I love myself a lot of hing, and it came with this. I got this free jar, so I thought, why not? I don't know about this brand. Usually Achi brand is famous, but there are some multiple stores of supermarket here, but I really did not have chance to go and look around. But okay, I thought that anyways I'm using a lot, so I thought that I'll use GD special hing, and I can keep something in this. So that came free with the hing. And then chaat masala. So what I do is obviously we can use it for chaat, and I also drink a lot of lemon water. I love me a lot of lemons. So squeeze a lemon, and initially I used to put sugar, but I have reduced it because of my skin. It's breaking again because in last 3 to 4 weeks I ate a lot of sugar. So I put a little bit of chaat masala because it also has pepper in it, in that lemon water, and a little bit, a pinch of salt, and it is just tasty, and you can drink it. Then I got some chili powder, because if I'm making sweet chutney for chaat I need a little bit of chili powder, or in some curries I might need this. Then protein powder, I am going to order whey protein, but in case if there is a lockdown and I'm not able to order protein powder, then I can have protein X, because if I get tired, I usually put it in milk and have it. And after you work out, if you obviously put it in water, warm water, and have a scoop of protein powder, it really helps. So protein powder. And speaking of milk, I have ordered a milk from organic A2 milk. They are saying that it's Gir cow that they are maintaining. So it's supposed to come. I don't know what happened. They are going to come by 7 o'clock. So I got the milk subscription as well. Then this is cumin powder, because the packet that I had from Bangalore was old and it was open, so I threw it. So I got cumin powder to put it in curries. You add cumin powder to curries, it tastes really really well. Then I got some tur dal, because I just have a little left right now, so tur dal. And then I also got a little bit of pickle. Now this is ginger garlic paste, because my grinder is on the way. Sunmeet heavy duty 1000 watt grinder is on its way from Flipkart. So I thought, just in case if I want to jazz up my curries in a hurry, I need ginger garlic paste. Then I got a mixed pickle, because sometimes if you're just having dal rice, it's awesome to add a zing to your lunch or dinner or meal. So a small packet of vegetable pickle. There are all sorts of pickle here in Hyderabad, in the store. There are what do you say? There are fish pickle, meat pickle, chicken pickle. So that maybe I'll try it later once I settle down. And then I got this savory packet, ready-made, which maybe I can try. Luft brand, Luft. So I'm going to take Luft on weekend and try this on weekend. So it has chutneys also, and it's like a kit, and with the puris and save and all that. So I'll have to boil potato. It's makes five servings, if you can see. So that's that. Because few basic snacks, in case just if there is indeed a lockdown, there might be a lockdown. Then I got this because my skin is turning dark. I'm not using sunscreen, and it is turning dry. So I got this Olay cream. I had used this in Mumbai a few years ago and I had liked it very much. It didn't work on me in Chennai. Definitely did not work much in Bangalore. I am hoping that it would work here in Hyderabad, because the climate is more or less like Mumbai. So we will see. You would see anyways how I look on YouTube. Then I got a taupe, because hopefully it is 1 liter. I asked that guy cashier and he was not able to answer, but this is to boil the milk. I know, because all the utensils that I have are tiny, and I was using a Tetra Pak pasteurized milk, and my friend told me, because I was breaking out, so my doctor friend Megha told me to use fresh milk, not to use pasteurized milk. So I got this one. Then that is a decorative item that I'm going to place up there. Yeah, as you can see, some things are still lying, and I still have a lot of work to do around the home. So that I will be opening later once I clean everything. I still have bedroom to dust. So once that's done, then I will open that, and I will definitely give you a house tour. I know I've given you a house tour. That was an empty house tour, but I'm going to set everything up, and I also ordered curtains. So I'm going to set everything up and give you a nice house tour. Then I got some few basic veggies. This I'm going to put it in water and have water. So she gave me 3, and then some tomatoes for my dal and curries, and onions of course, and then coriander, and I also got capsicum, because I just thought I can make capsicum and basin dry curry or sabzi. Then of course the lockdown readiness water. I have to order the 20 liter water bottle. So I got this. Hopefully, I don't have to go tomorrow. I don't have to go out tomorrow because I'm really exhausted. So that's all I got. I went to medical stores to get some medicines for cold, but it was crowded. So I thought that I had to get back to work as well. So I skipped it. So maybe I can go tomorrow and get some medicines if required. Not tomorrow, maybe on weekend, or tomorrow if they announce lockdown. So let's see. We will see. Alright, guys, that would be all. I mean, that's what is happening. Nothing much exciting other than lockdown, unlockdown, and it got a bit exciting when I at least was able to come to Hyderabad and take the flight and make that video for you. And then again, getting ready for lockdown because the cases, see, when I traveled 3 weeks ago, the cases were around 2 lakhs, 2 lakh, little over 2 lakhs, and now it is almost 6 lakhs. So be safe, stay healthy. I don't want to go into panic situation and hoard a lot of things. Just few basic items for me to get over 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So just that's it. And if my parents are able to come here, then maybe I can get more if I want. They're also going to get some groceries for me. So yeah, be safe, take care. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care now. Bye bye. मंडळी, हिला काय मालवणी माणसाची हालत बघा कशी झाली आहे. नुसती भांडी घासून घासून मालवणी माणूस थकलो आणि आता परत लॉकडाऊन होतं तर काय करतो मालवणी माणूस, नुसतो घरात बसतो लागत होता आपण. मग काय चालेल, भेटूया आपण पुन्हा आणि होपफुली लॉकडाऊन ओव्हर झाले की आपण जाऊया फिरायला. बाय बाय.